Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we find exported videos on CapCut PC, where can we find them, how can we change the export folder. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So I've already created a new project and here is our video I will export. I changed the format, so now we are ready to export it. So I will just click on export right up here and then just click on export. So the process will begin, and in a few seconds or maybe 1 or 2 minutes everything will be done. And how can we find it? Basically I will just cancel the exporting because I want to show you how can we change the download folder or how can we find it. So click on export, and here as you can see we have a lot of different options, but what is more interesting is of course title. We can change it like to the title we need, and the second line is also very interesting because it's called export to. It means that there is a path we'll export our video to. So if you'll click on this icon, on this like folder icon right up here, we can choose the folder we need to export our video. So we can just choose desktop, documents, downloads, it doesn't matter, and then just click on open. So if you click on export, our video will be exported to the folder we choose in this line. So this is the easiest way of how can we find exported videos in CapCut PC. So for example, I choose the desktop, so if I will go to desktop, I can find it right up here. So now it's under process. I will just need to wait for a little until it will be downloaded, exported, and then it will be showed like the normal video, but basically this is the video that will appear here. So this is a way of how can we find exported videos on your PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.